Hi my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be moisturizing my hair while we talk about 7 common mistakes that affect hair growth and length retention. If you have been wondering why your hair isn't growing, or maybe it's growing but you are not seeing the length, then keep watching. I'll be explaining everything step by step while I moisturize my hair. So grab your spray bottle, oil and cream, and let's do this together. Now, healthy hair growth isn't just about applying products. It's about understanding your hair and building the right habits that helps it thrive. Not moisturizing enough. A lot of people underestimate how important moisture is to hair growth. Our natural hair is naturally dry, and when you don't moisturize often, it becomes brittle and breaks easily. Growth is happening from your scalp, but because your ends are dry and breaking, it seems like your hair isn't growing. So make sure you moisturize your hair regularly, at least 2 to 3 times a week. And remember, moisturizing doesn't just mean applying oil. Start with water or water-based leave-in, then seal it in with your favorite oil and cream, just like I'm doing here. Spray, massage and seal. Your hair will thank you later. By the way, my friends, please don't mind how I'm looking today. I'm honestly not feeling too fine, and I've been having catarrh and it's showing on both my voice and my face. But I still wanted to film this for you because I know it's going to help someone out there. Sometimes even when we are not feeling our best, we still show up, and that's part of loving what we do. Alright, let's continue. Neglecting your scalp. Your scalp is the foundation of hair growth, just like soil is for plants. If your scalp is full of build-up, dandruff or dirt, it blocks your follicles and slows down growth. That's why it's so important to keep your scalp clean, moisturized and stimulated. Always massage your scalp to increase blood flow and apply oils that nourishes your roots. Over manipulating the hair. Too much combing, brushing or restyling can weaken your strands. Sometimes the best thing you can do for your hair is to simply leave it alone. The less you manipulate it, the more length you retain. Be gentle when handling your hair. Detangle slowly and use fingers first before going in with your detangling brush or comb. Your hair is not weak, it's just delicate and needs tenderness. Treat it with love and it will reward you with growth. Another big mistake is using too much heat or applying products that are too harsh. Our natural hair loves gentle care. Constant blow drying, straightening, or using chemical products can damage the strands. So try to reduce heat styling and choose natural or mid products instead. Things like cloves, fenugreek, rosemary, or aloe vera. When I switched to DIY oils and sprays, I noticed a big difference. My hair became softer, shinier and healthier. If you must use a heat, use heat protectant. Skipping regular trims. Trimming your ends doesn't mean cutting off your growth. It means protecting it. When you leave your split ends, they travel up your hair shaft and cause small breakage. A small trim every few months keeps your ends healthy and helps your hair look fuller. Think of it like pruning a plant. You remove the dead parts so that the rest can flourish. Lack of consistency and patience. This one is the biggest. Hair growth takes time. You can't expect magic overnight. Be consistent with your routine. Don't jump from one product to another. Stick with what works for you and trust the process. Take pictures to track your progress and celebrate it. Small wins like less shading or more shine. Growth is not just about length, it's also about health. Even though I'm not feeling too fine, I wanted to remind you that every little effort counts. Be patient with your hair, it's growing even when you don't see it yet. Most importantly, love your hair. Don't compare it to another one else. Every hair texture is beautiful and unique in its own way. Speak positively to your hair. Your hair is your crown. Treat it with pride and care. So my friends, those are 7 common mistakes that can affect hair growth and how to fix them. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a like, share it with a friend and subscribe for more natural hair care tips and DIY recipes. And if you do like to see how I made the oil I'm using today, check out my previous video. I shared the full step-by-step recipe. Thank you so much for watching and for being here even when I'm not looking or feeling best. It all means so much to me. I will see you in my next video. And until then, keep loving and caring for beautiful hair. Bye for now.